Hey guys, it's Nicole here and welcome back to my channel. So today is a pretty exciting video for me because I'm going to be recreating Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look. If you guys can see her makeup here, I love this look. Honestly, I saw it and I thought she looked absolutely stunning. Literally, like, oh my god. Honestly, oh my god. Like, that was my reaction. I was like, whoa. It's seriously, she looks amazing. And her dress as well. Can we just talk about it? Like, what? I have nothing remotely similar to that dress, but I'm definitely wearing a Kim K inspired outfit today. As you guys can see, all nude, definitely tight fitting, and you can see my nipple covers because I didn't want my nipples to just be popping out, you know. I'm going to start off with the eyes only because we're using black eyeshadow and black eyeshadow isn't exactly forgiving, so obviously start off small and start packing on just as much as you can, but blend out as you go. That's just how I'm going to do it. I mean, if you know a better way to do it, definitely do it that way. I also have my mirror here, so I'm going to be looking into it, but I'll zoom you guys in and yeah, let's just get straight into it. So as you guys can see, this is my face. It is definitely not clear at all, but whatever, I'm human. And we're gonna start off with the eyeshadow like I said. Actually, first I'm gonna go in with my waterline eyeliner. So I've got the Rimmel London Soft Kohl eyeliner here, and this is really dark, and I'm just gonna use this to pretty much water my line. Great. I'm going to use this to pretty much line my waterline. So I have two black eyeshadows here. I have a very cheap one that is not going to be as pigmented, and I have a very pigmented one in the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to be using both of these just because I want one that isn't as pigmented so that there's more forgiving. I'm going to take a packer brush and this eyeshadow and just start packing this onto my eyelid. I really don't know how dark it is. Okay, as you can see, it's not that dark, so I might actually use this one to blend out the eyeshadow a lot easier. I'm actually going to take some sticky tape because I am going to want to get a line as straight as Kim's. So I've got this here. I'm going to put it on the other eye later, but I'm going to show you guys one eye and do the other one off camera. So like I said, taking the black eyeshadow and we're just going to pack it on. I'm going to use the one from the Naked 2 palette now and just start packing it on. It looks like it's just a smoky eye, like a black smoky eye. So that's what we're going to do. As you can see, this one is a lot more pigmented than the other one that I just used. So that's good. We like it. We like a pigmented black eyeshadow. And then I'm going to start blending out. I'm not going to take any more black. I'm going to just take a blending brush and start blending the edges out. As you can see, as you start blending, it definitely gets less pigmented than it was before, but that's fine. Also, I'm going to take a little bit of the less pigmented one and use that to help blend out the edges and soften the edges out. Taking more of the black just to darken it, I'm going to extend this a little bit outward so that it creates kind of that shape. So this is what we have so far. When you take off the sticky tape, obviously it's going to be a cleaner line, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. You can keep blending and packing until you're happy with how the eye looks. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to leave it at for now. If I want some more, I'll definitely do it later. So I just did a little bit of eyeliner like that. You guys might not be able to see it, but that's what I did. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to use my Chi Chi eyebrow pencil in, it's just like dark brown or something. This is what it looks like here. And I'm just going to do a light look on the eyebrows because she doesn't look like she did too much with her eyebrows. As you can see, the eyebrow color is a little bit different. I'm going to go in with this non-pigmented black eyeshadow and just use a little bit of this in my eyebrows. Okay, so we're going to come back to the eyes later on and do the mascara and lashes and the bottom lash line, but for now I'm going to go in with my color corrector and just hide any spots because her makeup look was very full coverage as always, obviously. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just use both of these two shades. It's a pink and a green, only because my spots are pretty dark and I honestly don't have any other colors to use, so I'm just going in with these. I'm going to go ahead and set all of that so that when I put my foundation on, it hopefully doesn't budge. Okay, so after we have done that, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover foundation. Total Cover, yes, this is in the shade 32 Amber, and I'm pretty sure this is the darkest shade, which kind of sucks for anyone who is darker than me. I'm going to take just a little bit on this side first, and then spread it out with a foundation brush, and then I'm going to go in and buff it out. I'm surprised I actually didn't cover up this section of my color corrector, which is weird because like you would expect it to. It says Total Cover. And then we're going to do this side. Instead of spreading it out, I'm just going to go in with the buffing brush. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go in with my Most Prefer Contour Collection contouring stick, and I'm going to use this just to contour my face a little bit. I'm using this before concealer just because if I get anywhere that I don't want it, I can conceal it. This is a very bronzy look of Kim's, so I am going to be using a lot of bronzer today. Plus, I love bronzer. If you guys are a fan of bronzer, this is such a nice look. This bronzer is a little hard to blend in, but I just wanted to use it for precision, honestly, and because I wanted to give a bit more color into my skin. I'm going to take a little bit on my nose like that. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. I'm going to fix it with concealer. So I'm going to be going in with the Kat Von D concealer in L11 Neutral. This actually isn't my shade. I got it as a sample, so this isn't my actual shade, but I'm just taking a little bit of it to use today. I love this concealer. I think it blends in so well and so easily. I'm going to take a little bit more of that concealer because she actually brought it all the way down to like here, but I'm just going to do it to here. And then just a little bit on the sides of my nose. And then blend that in. Also, I already moisturized before I put the foundation on, if anyone was wondering. So yeah, I didn't prime because I'm not going anywhere. So I really don't need this to stay on for that long. But definitely prime if you're going out and you want this to stay on, obviously. Okay, so after I do that, I'm going to take my Essence Stay All Day translucent powder and I'm going to set my face. And I'm actually taking quite a bit because I want it to stay and be matte. I literally just said that I don't need it to stay on all day, but you know what I mean, guys. You know what I mean. This definitely has some flashback to it, as you guys can see. So I don't recommend it for photos or nighttime photography because you don't need that in your face when you're taking photos, but you can always just go over the top of it and use your normal kind of powder that you would use to set your entire face, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to set my face using the Australis Fresh and Flawless in the shade Darkest Brown. Again, this is the darkest color they have. Ridiculous. I mean, come on, start bringing out some new shades. I'm going to set my entire face with this, and then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this actually shattered and then I sprayed something on it and it's kind of together, but I love this bronzer. I think it's so pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of that and start bronzing. The only bad thing is that I have spots right here in my bronzing section and contouring section, and so it just emphasizes them, which sucks because I love contouring, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta risk it for the biscuit. After we've done that, it actually doesn't look like she has any blush on, but I'm going to take a peachy toned blush and just use that. So this one is like a dupe of the Too Faced one. I'm going to take a peachy shade and just kind of put that a little bit into the contour and not so much on the cheeks. And then I'm going to take my Mary Luminizer highlighter and put this where highlight would go. She definitely has some above her forehead in the photo, so I'm going to do that. And then she also has some above her brow, above her brow bone. She also has some under her brow bone, so I'm going to take that there too. Okay, so that is the face done. We're going to go back to the eyes and then to the... Okay, so we are going to put our lashes on, and these lashes are actually from Kmart. I don't wear false lashes often. I've already cut these, as you guys can see, but yeah, these are just $4.50 from Kmart. I don't wear them often. I don't wear fake lashes, so I just got these to try them out, and yeah, I'm going to put them on. I'm just going to wait for these to dry and then pop them straight on. I'm going to do this off camera because yeah, I just am. It's easier. Okay, so the lashes are on. While they are drying just a little bit more, I'm going to take some of that less pigmented black shadow and take that under the lower lash line and just blend it out. And last but not least, I'm going to take my Rimmel Extra Super Lash Mascara and put this on. So that is the eyes done. I'm just going to take my lipstick now. I'm going to take a dark brown lip liner and just apply this to the outline of my lips. And then we're going to go in with a nude. She did a very 90s vibe lip with her lip liner showing darker than the actual lipstick. And I actually really like that look. And then I'm going in with the nude lipstick in the middle. So that is the makeup look done. As for the hair, I'm going to zoom you guys out and show you guys the hair. So literally all she does is she has half up, half down. So you want to brush your hair out. If you're lazy like me, you're just going to brush it with your hands because like why not? And then you just want to section off the top. And smooth it down as much as possible. And then she kind of has it a little bit high, around like here maybe. And that was literally her hairstyle. Super easy, super quick. My hair isn't as dark or as long as hers, but this was the hairstyle. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly love it. It actually turned out really nice and it looks amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. My socials will be linked here, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!